People want to own crypto. Yes, whether you're buying to hold or selling for gains, there's always one thing for sure. Everyone wants to be part of this huge wave. And it's no surprise that Bitcoin has become that special digital currency today. Of course, there are other cryptocurrencies and meme coins that are stirring things up in the market, but the bigwig is here to stay. Now more than ever, Walmart is expanding Bitcoin access to more people in its Bitcoin ATM pilot program in the United States. What does this mean for the largest cryptocurrency on the market? Probably some good news. Okay, we'll get to the bottom of this in today's video. Welcome back to ICE, your favorite finance channel. This is where you learn all the ins and outs of investing, e-commerce, and entrepreneurship. If it's your first time here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications bell to watch more interesting videos. So, retail giant Walmart said it has kicked off a pilot program allowing shoppers to buy Bitcoin at Coinstar kiosks in its stores. Well, if you didn't know, Walmart is the largest retail chain in the world with more than 12,000 supermarkets and 2.5 million employees in 28 countries. The retailer is bringing Bitcoin ATMs to 200 locations across the United States. This will be in partnership with the coin cashing machine company called Coinstar. Coinstar is a company specializing in operating coin cashing machines in the US, Europe, and Asia. The company claims to have installed more than 23,000 coin counter kiosks in the region that it operates in. Coinstar allows users to exchange loose change for cash or gift cards and makes revenue by deducting a fee for facilitating the conversion. The company, which is headquartered in Washington, D.C., doesn't directly deal with cryptocurrencies. It leveraged the services of Coinme, a digital currency exchange, to offer Bitcoin. Following the collaboration, users are now able to exchange cash for Bitcoin at dozens of Walmart stores thanks to the installed ATM-like machines. Although the initial trial period is just 200 ATMs, several reports claim that the launch is part of a wider plan to install 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs in the country. First and foremost, a Bitcoin ATM is an internet-connected kiosk that allows customers to purchase Bitcoins or other cryptocurrencies with deposited cash. Most importantly, you need to know that a Bitcoin ATM is not the same as the usual automated teller machine or ATM that allows bank customers to physically withdraw, deposit, or transfer funds in one's bank account. Rather, Bitcoin ATMs produce blockchain-based transactions that send cryptocurrencies to the user's digital wallet, which is often done via the use of a QR code. But you may ask, when was the first Bitcoin machine ever launched? Not so long ago. On October 29, 2013, a RoboCoin machine opened in the Waves coffee shop in downtown Vancouver, Canada. This machine is understood to be the world's first publicly available Bitcoin ATM. Bitcoin ATMs were first introduced in the United States about 7 years ago. As of now, there are more than 48,000 Bitcoin ATMs in the US, located at supermarkets and gas stations, and Coinstar operates 4,400 Bitcoin kiosks in 33 states. So with this pilot program by Walmart in mind, you can expect the number of Bitcoin ATMs to surge in the US. Customers wanting to use the Bitcoin machines at the Coinstar kiosks must have a Coinme wallet or set one up at the ATM. Nonetheless, people without a Coinme wallet can still insert paper money and use the returned redemption code to set up the Coinme account. According to the Coinstar website, the cost is 4% for exchanging Bitcoin plus an additional 7% for converting the e-currency into cash. This amounts to 11%, which is quite expensive. Of course, the fees are traditionally quite high compared to other popular cryptocurrency trading platforms, such as Binance or Coinbase. They charge a commission of around 7%. Anyway, it shouldn't come as a surprise that Walmart has taken this direction at this point. The retail giant has been hinting at the crypto waters in the last few months. For instance, in August, it posted a job ad where they were seeking an expert to develop the digital currency strategy and product roadmap to identify crypto-related investment and partnerships. Walmart has long held an interest in crypto and particularly blockchain technology. In 2019, 9 of its blockchain-related patent applications were revealed in a single day, and the firm was among the first major American retailers to pilot blockchain-powered food traceability solutions. Sam Doctor, who is the Chief Strategy Officer and Head of Research at the crypto brokerage BitOoda, has revealed that While the move by Walmart and Coinstar is an expensive way to buy Bitcoin, it does lower the barriers to entry for first-time buyers of crypto. But how about the reactions on social media? There have been mixed reactions on social media in response to the news of the pilot program. Some users view it as a step forward in terms of cryptocurrency adoption, but other users, however, consider the fees charged as insanely expensive. Remember that Bitcoin ATMs have become very popular in recent days, notwithstanding the high fees involved. Most centralized exchanges charge less than half the fee surcharged by the ATMs installed in Walmart. Just last year, Coinstar revealed its plan to set up 3,500 Coinme Bitcoin ATMs to capitalize on the market demand. Walmart's partnership with Coinstar is huge for the latter, considering the consumer base the former commands in the United States. Are you enjoying watching this video? Take a second to like and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any updates from us. Fake news. Last month, Walmart was subject to a cryptocurrency hoax after a fake press release was published announcing a partnership between the world's largest retailer and Litecoin. The fake statement said Walmart would allow its customers to make payments with Litecoin at its online stores, sending Litecoin prices up as much as 27.4%. However, after Walmart denied this news released through a telecom company, Intrado, LTC's price plummeted 20%. Now, it seems that Walmart is legitimately weighing its options and exploring the viability of cryptocurrency in its stores. Following the recent hoax, CoinDesk took caution and actually went to test a new feature by buying a small amount of Bitcoin in a Pennsylvania Walmart. The Coinstar machines using the Coinme features require users to set up accounts and pass a brief background check before the Bitcoin voucher can be redeemed. The operation of Bitcoin ATMs is picking up pace in other parts of the world too. In El Salvador, for instance, Bitcoin ATMs allow people to transact in the crypto token or convert it to fiat money. In September, El Salvador became the first country in the world to legalize Bitcoin as a legal tender. Struggles after hitting all-time high. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is down to almost $60,000 at the time of recording. The crypto had stormed above $66,000 for the first time on October 20th, riding a wave of excitement about how the financial establishment is increasingly accepting the digital currency's rise. Besides, a Bitcoin futures exchange traded fund, or rather ETF, a type of financial instrument, was recently launched on the New York Stock Exchange. The news electrified demand for the cryptocurrency, which scaled an all-time pinnacle of $66,976. The digital currency has roared back after sinking below $30,000 during the summer to top its prior record set in April. The surge has come as more businesses, professional investors, and even the government of El Salvador buy into Bitcoin, further broadening its base beyond its initial core of fanatics. And with this new move by Walmart in partnership with Coinstar and Coinme, experts have been quick to reveal some good Bitcoin news. Yes, most people believe that this ATM pilot program will indeed give Bitcoin further legitimacy among skeptics should they roll it out beyond an initial pilot. That's all for now. What are your thoughts about this ATM pilot program and how it will likely impact Bitcoin's price on the market? We'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you enjoyed every bit of this video, feel free to leave us a like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell to stay on top of our latest updates. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.